how we work here. You know, you have to prove that you deserve a spot for my admin slot. Join has been okay. Fighter joined has been on your live for over 30 minutes. Thank you guys for staying. I'm doing exercise, guys, to get rid of my underarm fats. Yes. I want to eat a lot and be slim, but that doesn't work. If I eat a lot, I have to work out a lot too. Diba? But I'm so tired. Napakong ko, guys. It hurts. Hi po. Kita ka to, napakong ko. Hi, Jan. How are you? Can you follow me back, Jan? I'll see you. You give me gifts. Please follow back. Sa una, nag-exercise ko ba? Mag-workout ko sa una. Masakit din eh. Tapos ikaw humanggutom. Ha? The taste of your lips on my right. Hello, guys. Jowa, how are you? Thank you for joining, Jowa. Kuya Boss, Fighter, Jowa, Kuya Glenn, and Cheng, and ID number down there. Thank you for joining. Kuya Gimat is here. Kuya Gimat is here. You know what, Kuya Gimat? I'm doing exercise to get rid of my underarm fats. Yes. But the more I exercise, the more I want to eat. Hi, Warren. Warren, how are you? Where are you from, Warren? Oh, you're from... I can see it. Could you please follow me back, Warren? Thank you for joining on my live, guys. Asan ba yung nag-up kanina? I don't know. Maybe he's busy now, that's why. He's no longer here. Yes. Thank you, guys, for the ano. Wow, Naruto. Nakita ko may ano pala si Naruto. Who's Naruto? Nakita, nag-send pala siya ng GIF and he also followed me. Okay, follow back na kita. Don't you worry.